Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday Jobs Day, Jobs in Half Hour Market Webcast. All right, it's just before 8 o'clock. I'm going to keep this pretty short and sweet. Daily chart, look, we're pulling back. The bears continue to seal off the areas as resistance that they need to seal off. Whether you're talking, so this week, just for example, weekly pivot, 9-day, monthly pivot, daily midband, 20-day simple moving average. We're below all of them. We're making lower lows. Now, here's the rub. In 31 minutes, we have jobs. There'll be a reaction to that. I did a tutorial last night for subscribers on how we trade jobs, along with a subscriber webcast. So all of you that are premium subscribers, please go check that out before the bell rings. It's a very good overview of how we do things. And then there's some discussion about a little bit more particularities with regard to the tape. We talked about the trade we were in last night that we that we got stopped out of this morning on the runner. But as we head into jobs, the onus is on the bears to keep this 4750 area sealed off, even if there's a positive reaction. The Globex low is 47.11 quarter. We're currently trading 47.16. There's a lot of room for a pop that can't get through. When the bears get themselves into trouble, it's when they let these pops run, and then all of a sudden, here looking at the hourly chart, all of a sudden they've round tripped this guy that shorted up here, or they've round tripped 47, which is where we were. The bears can't allow that, and that's exactly for the bulls. That's exactly what you need to do. You have to close today, in my opinion, above something meaningful, because if you don't, then it's way too easy. It is way too easy to start bleeding down into some of these consolidation areas. These are the areas that we talked about early in the week. 4,700, 4,650. It's all in play now, and it's in play because these pops have been rejected at key areas. You see the 9-day, you see weekly pivot, you see the daily midband here, and you see monthly. I don't get to come on here very often, honestly, over the course of 10 years. Let me say this, and we don't want that. There we go. I have not been able to come on here on a Friday over the course of the 10 to 12 years that we've been doing this, however long it's been. With the exception of times when we've been either locked in our houses or something of that variety, and say that the bears have done a fantastic technical job throughout the week as we head into Friday. And all they have to do today is hold serve, don't do anything really stupid, and they're looking good into next week to continue the pullback. I can count on one, maybe a hand and a half, the number of times I've been able to say that. But that's where we are right now. They've done well. They need to keep doing well. They got to survive jobs. So where's the lay of the land? VWAP, 47.23. Proprietary moving average is 17. Overnight low is 11 quarter. They popped it up to 20 and couldn't get through. They've been messing around with the 20 to 21 area all basically since 5 a.m. On a jobs reaction range, you're going to have to watch 21 to 23. If that holds in as resistance, I think your first move is probably to short against that. And if that converts, then you can get long, because if they break through the hourly mid at 29.5, there's going to be some real estate up to the daily pivot at 41. That's, you want my biggest piece my biggest thought heading into 8:30 is don't game it. Don't do anything early. Let it come out, let it develop, and then react to that. All right. Have a fantastic day. Have a fantastic weekend. Safe, happy, trade them well. It's been a great start to the new year, subscribers. We're going to keep it going. And I will check out everybody. I will talk to you on Monday. Come join up, like, subscribe, get the notifications, all that fun stuff. Pivots were out last night if you're on Circle. If not, you had to wait till this morning. If you want the stuff when it comes out, join the free community, and then do yourself a favor and level up to the premium. All right, take care. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princetontrader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade 'em well.